Hey everyone, welcome back to my DIY life, and if you're new here, please subscribe and tap that bell for more videos. Hey everyone, so today I wanted to do a Amazon haul for you guys. Sorry I've got wet hair, but I'm on limited time, didn't have time to dry my hair. So if you're interested, please keep watching. So first, before I show you this, I did want to show, if you follow me on Instagram or maybe on Facebook, you may have seen I've got these new bracelets in my Etsy store, if you can even see it. This one says Dreamer, and it's got this little adjustable black band. This one is rose gold plated, and then there's also, it also comes in rhodium plated. And then I have the other options that say hippie and peace for now. So those are in my Etsy store. I'll put a link below if you're interested. So the things that I got, let's see. So I got a couple of kitchen things, just kind of random stuff that I got. So this is a cast iron napkin holder, which I thought was really cool. It's pretty solid. So there's that. I think that was like $13.99 on Amazon. I got a new spoon rest to put on my stove, which I think is really cool. I love the artwork on here. It's kind of simple. It says the brand is Creative Co-op, and it is dishwasher safe. I can't remember how much this one was, but I'll link everything below. I just think that's really cute. And it's got the like teal or turquoise line right there. And then for my dog, it says Burt's Bees for Dogs Calming Shampoo with Lavender and Green Tea. It's a 99.7% natural. It wasn't that much. It was only, I think, like $3 or $4. I figured I'd try the calming shampoo because my dog hates baths and he's huge, so it's really hard to give him a bath because he just like freaks out, and he's so big, it's just really difficult. So I don't know, maybe the calming scent will help somewhat. And I also got for my dog, which I think is really cool. This is called, the brand is Hertzco. I'm holding it right, it's upside down. Hertzco, and it's this dog brush, which I've never seen one like this before. I don't know, I've always just had like regular brushes, so maybe, you know, I'm just new to it, but it's got this nice gripper on here. And if you look at it, it's like, looks like there's no bristles. So what you do is there's a button and you just push it and it keeps the bristles out for you to brush. And then when you get all the hair caught in here, then you just push the button and they retract. And when it does that, like the hair just like it's still there. So you can just wipe the hair off like really easily. It makes it really easy to clean. Sorry, my camera is like floating around. So I thought that was really cool. It wasn't that much. I think this was about $15. And then I purchased, I haven't opened these yet. I can't remember how many is supposed to be in this pack. It's these wooden, like these plain wooden coasters. It's supposed to be natural unfinished wood, which, you know, there's lots of wood pieces in here, so it looks like it's got nothing on it. And these do not have holes. A lot of these I see online have holes in them, and I don't want to do that because I don't want to make ornaments. But I was thinking like maybe I could use them for coasters, but I was thinking about making like small paintings on them, which I thought would be kind of cool. So I got this pack. Let's see how many's in here. Like a 24 pack or a 36 pack. I can't remember. I don't want to take them all out. But I got that. I thought those were really cute. So the last thing I got was this pack of incense. It just came in this box. It's a multi-pack of incense. Why is my camera moving so much? Just gonna pull them all out. I used to burn incense a lot, but now that when I had kids, I just kind of stopped doing it as much because I thought the smoke would bother them, but I really don't think that it does. And I usually burn it when they're asleep anyway. So this came with, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 of these bigger packs, and then it had a bonus pack, which I'm assuming this is a bonus pack, this little tiny one. So, I've already gotten into this one. I got, this is the brand, I guess it's Hem. It's H-E-M. This one is Precious Lavender Incense Sticks. That's the first one I tried, was a lavender. And this one is Eucalyptus. Egyptian Jasmine. Some of the artwork on here is kind of cool. Lemongrass. Amber Sandal. And then the last one is Opium, of the bigger ones. And then this small one, just I don't know if that's the scent. It says Palo Santo. It says, oh, it's masala. Yeah, little incense sticks. So this is a little free sample. Okay, and so one more thing I forgot to show you was I got a set of placemats. Actually came in a pack of 6. These are kind of cool. I think the color changes a little bit depending on what side you put it on. That's got more of the black design. I mean, and this one has like the white design with the darker background. Thank you everyone so much for watching this video. I hope everyone is doing well and staying healthy. I'll put all the links for these items below in case anyone is interested in trying them out. I like all these items, and I especially think this is pretty cool. So take care everyone. Check out all my links below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.